Looking to speed up your meal prep and make chopping fruits and veggies a breeze? Meet the Ourokhome vegetable chopper. Ourokhome sent me this chopper to check out, but all opinions are my own. This chopper is equipped with razor-sharp steel blades, perfect for everything from potatoes to grapes. It cuts prep time to a fraction of what it was before. This chopped fruit salad would take me 20 to 30 minutes if I did it all by hand, but with the chopper, it's done in 5. And the best part, it comes with a 2-liter collection tray, so no more mess all over the kitchen counter. I've tested a couple different choppers in the last few months, including one of the viral bestsellers, and I truly believe this is the nicest quality. The plastic is thicker, the blades are sharper, and it cuts like a champ every single time, not getting stuck on tricky things like onions and tomatoes. Cleanup is easy with the included cleaning brush, plus the blades are top-shelf dishwasher safe. From prepping salads to cutting veggies for dinner, the Ourokhome food chopper will save you so much time. I really like it and hope you will too.